Okay, check out the inquiries, okay? We're getting three of them deleted. We're getting Citizens Bank deleted, we're getting HSBC deleted, and we're getting Citizens Bank deleted. Let's do this. Volume all the way up. Let's do this. All the way
So
up.
right here you see Citizens Bank. It's an inquiry. Citizens Bank, okay? And you see the date of inquiry is 10/01/2021. And I have already sent in the paperwork. I have already sent in the documents for this one. It should be removed. And then you also see the same one, Citizens Bank, the date of inquiry 9/28/2021. And I have already sent in the paperwork and sent in the documents for this one to be removed. And the last one is HSBC Bank USA. And for this one, I sent in the documents and the paperwork for this one to be removed also. Yes. Yes, I have sent it in July 5th. I have sent it to July 25th. I have also sent it on July 31 and August 2nd, 2023. Yes. 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 So now that I provided the documentation, you believe that in 72 hours they will be removed from the credit report. Okay.
There you go. Three of them removed. Love you guys.